Hello there, and welcome to me build of the Yatming VW Beetle. It's gonna be a code 3, and I'll leave you to guess what it's gonna be along the way. But I have to say it's a car that I saw maybe mid to late 70s, and it always stuck in my mind because I fell in love with it. It was just, I've never been a real fan of VW Beetles, but I saw this particular version of it and I thought, yeah, that's just cool. You'll probably spot where I'm going along the way, but here we go. Here's my starting point. A beaten up, battered old Yatming that has very much seen better days, but the basic shapes there for what I want. I just wanted to see what I could get out of it for the day, and I'm quite impressed really where I finished up. I think you will be too if you stick around to the end. And just last couple of revolutions there now, and we'll be heading off and making a start. Oh yeah, very basic casting, and here it is. I actually got it in a lot off eBay. I actually had a look what Yatming were on, because I've heard of them and I've none in my collection, so I spotted this lot. And there's some trucks as well, but I've got 2 Trans Ams which are quite nice, a van, and I got the dub. I made my own decals for this Beetle, and I may make the Trans Am Eagles myself. And here I am. I had to start off, there's no dimples in them, so I had to start off by punching the rivets so I could get in. It was still a pain in the butt, and as things go, the posts were so thin I ended up gluing them after anyway, because you'll see it later in video anyway, but I burst through the post, it's that thinner post, so it ended up glued back together. And here I am, I think I'm punching other end there. Or have I just turned? No, I'm on to drilling now. And here I go. Just drilling. Having problems with the drill staying on centre. But hey ho, there we go. And I get it eventually. Get enough. And eventually, so I could pick it apart easy enough. Now we flip round, do the other side. It's not recommended you rest your chuck on the table while you're trying drilling. I tried it earlier and the drill scooched off. And here I am, I'm getting me picking it, get it apart. That's unclipped, and pull it down and unclip the front, because it's a fairly solid base. Take the interior and the window out. The interior's quite nice, as it wasn't moulded to its steering wheel, it's a separate piece, which were quite nice. And there we have all the interior glass, including headlamps, the interior with a separate steering wheel. And here I'm just taking the wheels out. It's not an hard job, it's just a suspension unit clipped on, and if you raise it up you can just pull out the wheels. And same on is that the rear or the front? Can never tell. Almost put it back together, back to front 3 times. And here I decided to use some green light wheels from the VW pack, because the said car had either steel wheels with hubcaps, or I believe you could get it with a Ross style type wheel. It was hard work holding it, so I got pliers to hold it and clipped it in. And there we are, it's in. And here I'm just opening up the wheel mountings a little bit more for the axles. Just a little bit more work so they fit a little better. And there we are, here's the blub 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 gone. And here you can see where my drilling just blew the post apart, so decided on gluing it back together. And here we have the caustic method. Caustic's gone in, and if you watch it, well, you don't have to watch at the bottom, that big flake of paint come down there. Straight down and off. Anyway, I don't know what Marty's doing, but I've had a strange smell of eucalyptus round my house last couple of days. God knows what that's about. Anyway, here we are, we're talking 100% paint removal. And here I'm filing off the casting lines, just on the wing and on the side body panels. Filed them off. And here one of the headlamps was blown, some of the casting were blown out, so I'm using Ladies nail acrylic powder, and this stuff just, oh, it's just outstanding. Can't praise it enough. It's better than filler and easier to mould to what you're doing. Just put it on there, put your brush in some fluid, and just mould it pretty much to the shape you're after. And here I'm spraying the base black on the interior. And there. I was just puffing the plastic screen, ready for a dip into the jar of joy. And there we are, we're out. And here, people might start guessing where I'm heading with this, but I'm painting the hubcaps black on the wheels. Yeah, I'm doing the second one. I'm just showing one side. And here, not without a word of a lie, this stuff for the acrylic nails, it's as tough as the metal. I'm not shitting you with that, it's absolutely astoundingly tough. I thought, oh, it'll probably just be crap and drop off and stuff. And here, I've got a drill bit on my Dremel, and I'm drilling out and cleaning the headlamp holes. And what a palaver that was. My Dremel weren't quite charged enough, and it kept kicking out, but without a word of a lie, even if it were charged, it'd still have been tough. But because it will lower down the battery, it kept cutting it out. And there we are, finished job. Where the metal were damaged and they all were made a different shape. It's now better and up in primer. Looking a lot better for itself. And here I'm painting the interior. People may well have definitely guessed where I'm heading by now. But we'll see as we go along. Put down your comments if you guessed where I was going. In the comments area. Like to know if anybody guessed. And you've got to get it now. I'm mixing up the colour. I've added a little bit of Tamiya red to Tamiya yellow. Mixed it up. Now we're spraying it. A nice even coating. I could really do with some rattled tins of white prime for when I'm spraying colours like that. Or pink. Yellow and yellowy orange and spray well on pink. And next up here we have the paint on and some clear coat on. Or is that might just be paint? I think this next one's with clear coat. Also, it's made deckling. I made my own decals for it. Sat down this morning in Photoshop and what's it called? Paint, I think. Yeah, permanent paint programs and Photoshop between the two. Made up a decent set of decals for it. And there we are on the side, decal applied. I'm doing some touch-ins of details. This car had all matte black details. Door handles, hubcaps, bumpers, And here we go. One of the first limited editions. It's a VW Beetle jeans, for those of you that might not know it. It was noted by, they wanted to appeal to a younger generation, so they did all the trim in black, give it some graphics down the sides, and all the interior was made out of denim, the seat coverings, hence the name jeans. And just when I saw it when I was younger, it stood out from everything else. It was just a beautiful car back in there. A friend had a Beetle, but when I saw this I just went, oh yeah, I'd love one of them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. If you've enjoyed, please press subscribe. Even better, press the bell icon for notifications. And hope you all stay safe and well. Bye for now, and catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.